Hi everybody. Sometimes you have to find a company's customer care number and email, which is very difficult to find on Google. Also, many fake websites give you a fake customer care number or email of that company, and when you use it, they get your details and bother you by spam calls, messages, emails, etc. and sometimes even hack your account. So in this video, I will show you how you can get the official customer care number and email of that company without much efforts. There is a website named gethuman.com. Open this website. Here, type that company's name. Then you will be presented with that company's phone number or email ID, whichever is available. You can use this website to get an authentic customer care phone number or email of any company. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Also share this video with others. Thanks for watching.